a conductor is wrapped multiple times around a clamp-on meter, the meter reading needs to be adjusted to determine the actual current flowing through the conductor. Fundamental formula is current equals number of turns times clamp-on meter current. This equation highlights that the clamp-on meter measures the magnetic field produced by the current. By wrapping the conductor multiple times, the magnetic field sensed by the meter is amplified. Suppose a conductor is wrapped 4 times around a clamp-on meter and the meter reads 32 amps. To calculate the actual current flowing in a conductor, you multiply the number of turns, which is 4, by the meter reading, which is 32 amps. Therefore, the current is equal to 4 times 32 amps, which equals 128 amps. This means that the actual current in the conductor is 128 amps. It is essential to understand this principle when measuring current in situations where direct access to a single conductor is limited or when dealing with low current values that need amplification for accurate measurement. Always ensure the clamp-on meter is properly calibrated and used within its specified range. Also, remember to de-energize the circuit before making any physical changes, such as wrapping the conductor around the meter to prevent electrical shock. Safety should always be the priority when working with electrical circuits. When selecting a clamp-on meter, it is important to consider factors such as the current range, accuracy, jaw size, and any additional features like alternating current or direct current measurement capability. The current range should be appropriate for the expected current levels in the circuits you will be measuring. Accuracy is crucial for obtaining reliable readings. The jaw size determines the maximum conductor diameter that the meter can accommodate. Alternating current and direct current measurement capabilities are necessary depending on the types of circuits you will be working with. Calibration is a process of comparing the meter's readings against known standards to ensure accuracy. Regular calibration helps to maintain the meter's performance and reliability. The frequency of calibration depends on the meter's usage and the manufacturer's recommendations. De-energizing a circuit means disconnecting it from the power source before performing any work on it. This is a critical safety precaution to prevent electrical shock. Always verify that the circuit is de-energized using a reliable voltage tester before touching any conductors or components. Different types of clamp-on meters are available for various applications. Some meters are designed for measuring alternating current only, while others can measure both alternating current and direct current. Some meters also offer additional features such as voltage measurement, resistance measurement, and frequency measurement. The choice of meter depends on the specific needs of the application. When using a clamp-on meter, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. This includes proper placement of the meter around the conductor, selecting the appropriate current range, and interpreting the readings correctly. Incorrect usage can lead to inaccurate readings or even damage to the meter. Electrical safety is paramount when working with electrical circuits. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and insulated gloves. Avoid working in wet or damp conditions. Be aware of potential hazards such as exposed conductors and energized equipment. If you are not comfortable working with electrical circuits, consult a qualified electrician. Understanding the principles of current measurement and using clamp-on meter safely and effectively is essential for anyone working with electrical systems.